This is the Netvue by Birdfy smart bird feeder with a 2K HD AI camera and solar power. I was sent this to review and I love it. I love seeing all the wildlife popping up in my backyard. So let me show you a closer look, including how to assemble it, the different ways to install it, and how to use the app and get the most out of this. A little bird perch, user's manual, birding tips, antenna, the top, strap, doodads, the main device, securing stuff, solar panel, a metal bracket for mounting. Lots of stuff, let's go. So here's the camera already installed. We're going to go ahead and charge it up back here with the USB-C cord that is included. To pair it, you're gonna wanna tilt this downward, then you have access to the power button in here. So you're gonna have to long press this until it turns blue and flashing, that's pairing mode. The user's manual is really helpful in setting it up, but it's super easy. It's got instructions in English, Spanish, and French. It's got the mounting gear for various ways you can mount it, such as on a post, on a tree. You can nail it into something. You can secure it with this. That's what I'm gonna do because I'm not sure where I wanna put it yet. I love that it comes with so many options. Back here, we're gonna remove the protector and screw on the antenna. It's going to angle, turn, so that you can get the best reception to your house, your Wi-Fi. It shows you what all the lights mean. So green means we're fully charged, and that means I am ready to install the solar panel, get the food in here and put it outside. Really nice quality. Just like with the birdhouse, the solar panel comes with a lot of options for how to mount it because it does not mount directly to the birdhouse. You plug it in to power it, but then this is gonna mount separately from that. So a lot of options there. So we're taking out the charging cord. Probably won't need that again, unless it's like really rainy for a few days or something. Now we're gonna plug in the solar panel. While it is an extra step because this is not attached to this, that you mount them separately, the bonus there is that you can have this anywhere. And then you can have this out in a sunny spot. They don't have to both be in a sunny spot. This is a really long cord. Now we need this and this to attach the perch right here in front. There we go. I'm gonna fill in the bird seed back here. Once this bottom section fills up, it kind of blocks itself and then it fills up here. So you can fill the whole thing and then put that top on. You're gonna click these two bits into the sides here and here. And then this bit is gonna be in the back. It's gonna go in last. Snap, snap. Now it's gonna tilt. Without taking it all the way off, you can fill it from the back. Now this comes back and snaps into place. Here is an example of how I've installed it without drilling or hooking on anything permanent. I've just got that kind of tether up here so it's not interfering with the camera, it's not interfering with the seed or the perch, but it's fairly stable. You can adjust the settings, of course, but there are so many things you can do with the app. You can use it to view live, which is great if you have in the backyard, you have kids playing back there and you just want to check in on them. It's almost like a baby cam or a security camera at that point. You can turn the sound on and off so you can hear it or not. You can turn the light on or off, so if it's at nighttime, it'll light up. You can speak, use a microphone to speak. Get out of here. Go on, buddy. And there's also an alarm. So if a squirrel is in there and you don't want it to be in there, you could turn on the little alarm to scare it off. I love the live and all those functions. And then when a bird or any kind of activity is going on, it'll notify you. And again, you can adjust if you want it to notify you or not, because if you're at work, maybe you don't want to be notified. And then if it pops up, it'll notify you, then you can go watch it live, or you can wait for it to pop the little recording up for you and view it later. And I don't know if this is normal or not, but when I registered mine, it gave me a lifetime of AI bird recognition. So when a bird pops up there, it immediately tells you what kind, like cardinal, blue jay, etc., which is for me really handy. Another fun feature of the app, don't miss this, if you go down to the bottom, there's a community section. If you click there, you can see other people's videos. Oh my gosh, really cool, because you can see birds that maybe you don't have in your area and you're watching them on someone else's feed and it's just like they're in your own backyard. It's so cool. I just love this. And if you don't permanently install it, you can easily take it with you on vacation. If you're going to the mountains for a week or something, bring it with you and just like strap it onto something and see what kind of birds and wildlife you see in a different part of your country or your state or whatever. I just love this Birdfy Smart Bird Feeder, and I know you will too.